Going to change this carrier bearing. Just looking to see how close it looks. Looks like it's the right one. That bearing is a tight fit, and I don't have a bearing or a wheel puller to fit that, so I'm going to clean. You can see there's rust on those splines. I'm going to clean that up a little bit with some sandpaper to just to cut down on the resistance of that bearing sliding off of there, and then I'm going to try to knock it off with a punch and a hammer. I'm going to get an ink pen and mark this and see if that is moving at all. Well, it's not moving. The only thing that's happening is the flange is flattening out. So, I'm just going to burn it off with a torch. That's just the outer race. Knock this off of there and get to the inner race. Should be able to knock it off of there. Okay, now I gotta burn that inner race off of there. So less grease would be better. So I didn't cut it all the way through in a couple places, but heating it up like that helped. Okay, let that cool down. I'll cool it down. I'll put it in some water. We'll speed this up a little bit. Got a little water spill here. The big plastic barrel that I was keeping water in, just an old trash can. It's split open. It's only going to be a tight fit up here. Back here it seems to be slightly smaller. It's machined down about a few thousandths smaller. little grease on that so I can get that bearing on a little better. Put it in the bearing too. It's right over here outside of the camera view, but it's right there. Now ideally what I need is a piece of pipe that'll just barely fit over this and will fit right up inside this shroud here and right onto this inner bearing race. Because the inner bearing race is the only place I really want to put any pressure. But I don't have a piece of pipe that size. Some of this older bearing might work. I'll have to clean it up a little bit. I don't know if it'll go in there or not. Now it's going to get wedged inside this sleeve here, inside this shroud, so I can't really use that. I'll find something. Maybe we can just tap on it a little at a time with this. Seems to be going. I'm sure you guys want to watch me do that all the way down. So, just to be mean, I'm going to cut the video off for a few minutes until it's down there. Well, it's only been less than a minute, but those bent pieces of that shroud or whatever it was in the back, I got to straighten those out because I'm going to be, that bearing's going to be getting into that. So I'm going to get a pliers and straighten that out. Well, I straightened out that flange and then I went back to hitting this thing in there, and now it is making a very solid sound and just knocking the whole shaft backwards. So I know that I'm bottomed out with that bearing. Hear that? So there's my installation of that. Let's make sure that it's free. And it is. Okay. Going to put the yoke on this and then finish up this drive shaft. It is a locking nut, so it's going to take some hammering to get it on tight. Okay, that's it for changing the carrier bearing on the drive shaft. Thanks for watching.